Hello friends, in this video I'm going to provide a solution to this simultaneous equation, which is in index form. To solve something like this is not a big deal. If you look at the first equation where you have 3 to the power of 2x plus y is equal to 12, you understand that it is impossible to find any number that will be raised to any power to give 3, to give 12. Since the base in the left hand side is 3 and the number here is 12, you cannot raise 3 to any power to get 12, so it's impossible. Leave that equation 1, go to equation 2 to know if you are going to get something meaningful. In equation 2 we see that 2 to the power of x minus y is equal to 4. Yes, seeing 4, I know that I can raise this 2 to a power to get 4. Because of that, I can now write that 2 to the power of x minus y is equal to 2 to the power of 2, because 2 power 2 will give me 4. When the bases are equal, you can equate the powers. Therefore, I can write that x take away y is equal to 2. Supposing I want to make my y the subject of the formula, you shall have that x minus 2 is equal to y. So therefore, our y is equal to x minus 2. You can call this equation 3, this is equation 2, and this is equation 1. So from equation 3, you've now noticed that y is equal to x minus 3. If this is so, going back to this equation 1, anywhere I see my y, I will put x minus 2. So you can write, so substitute y equal to x minus 2 in equation 1. So I will now have 3 to the power of 2x. Seeing y, I will write x minus 2, because y is now x minus 2 equals 12. That is what you are having there. Now 2x plus x will give us 3x, so we shall have 3 to the power of 3x minus 2 equals 12. Now at this point, we can simplify further again, because I cannot raise 3 to any power to get 12. Therefore, we shall take the logarithm to base 10 of both sides. That's the only solution we'll have here. So what we do now is that we take the logarithm of both sides. So you can have the logarithm of 3 to the power of 3x minus 2 is equal to the logarithm of 12, because in equation, whatever you do to both sides will not affect the value of the equation. Now, from the laws of logarithm, the power can come to the back, so you shall have 3x minus 2 log 3 is equal to log 12. So to get the value of 3x minus 2, I will divide both sides by log 3. You shall now have log 3 over log 3. This will cancel out. You shall now have that 3x take away 2 is equal to. Now let us divide log 12 by log 3. The logarithm of 12 divided by logarithm of 3. That will give us 2.26. 2.26 to 2 decimal places. That is what is giving us. Minus 2 crossing over becomes a plus. So you shall have that 3x is equal to 2.26 plus 2. And when you add that, you shall get 4.26. So to get the value of x, divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. So x is giving us 4.26. 4.26 divided by 3. 4.26 divided by 3. That will be 1.42. This is the value of x, 1.42. Now it is easy to get the value of y. To get the value of y, you've now known that our y is x minus 2. Therefore, I can solve for y here. Y will now be x. Our x is 1.42. So you now have 1.42. Take away 2 from here. So if you do that, you shall have that your y will now be negative 0.58. This is the value of y. You can now say that if you try to do substitution, putting x and y here, you are going to get the answer. For example, if I want to check if the answer is right now, let's use equation 2 because it will be faster. Equation 2, we have 2 to the power of x. X is 1.42. We have 1.42 minus, seeing y, our y is negative 0.58. And you know that minus minus will turn to plus. If you add this together, that will give you 2. 1.42 plus 0.58 will give you 2. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. And look at that 4 here. This has shown that our answer is correct. And the solutions to these are x is 1.42 and y is minus 0.58. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you.